or not? Open or not? Alright. You gonna open your mouth or not? You okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? This one is Lou. This one likes so much. You like so much. Hang on for a second. You like so much. Open mouth, open. Oh, very good. Very good. What about you? Gonna open your mouth? Huh? You gonna open your mouth? Beef. Gonna open your mouth? Oh, you still have one, no? Look at that. You still have one, huh? You still have one, huh? Yeah? You want to? You want to? What about the other one? Yeah. What about you? You like? Yeah. Oh, very good. Open, open. Very good. Very good. There you go. Very good. What about them? The one in the middle. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. That's the aggressive one. Okay? Show me your aggressive one. Huh? Show me. Show me. No, you're not that aggressive. You still have one, huh? Oh, there you go. This is the aggressive one. There you go. What about the other one? You want? This one for you. Oh, very good. What about you? You still have one. You did not throw that one. You still have it, right? What about you? Are you done? Are you done? Okay, are you done? Huh? Behave. Are you done? Oh, this one. Very good. Very good. Oh, you guys are full now, huh? You need water? You need water? You need water? Okay. Wait for a second. I'll bring you water. Look at that one. I'll see you later. Have a nap. Didn't poop.